that. Big fucking guns there.
Jesus. Oh god, I'm hungover from last night. And now I've decided to... That pigeon's lying down. What's he doing? What's he so... That's not hungover, I'm just staring at a pigeon. Now I've got to go to the Dragon restaurant to get a shuttle right up to the volcano to stay up there tonight in a tent. When I'm hanging out of my bottom, feeling like a piece of pigeon poo. This is a shuttle that takes us. When we get on here and we're going up to the volcano, it takes about 1 hour. Get me on the front of there. I think that's my place right there. Let me get in there, because I'm a little tourist. A little hungover tourist. Said, what's the last thing you should be doing when you're hungover? This would be quite far up the list. Or number 3 or something. After speedboat racing. Riding horses. Muchas gracias, amigo.
¿Qué cerveza tiene?
Oh, these nuts. Hola. This is my little tent. I take it it's up here, is it, Dave? Can I call you Dave?
Yeah.
Dave?
Some of them. Yeah,
yeah Dave's alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at this.
Bro, that's nice.
That is naughty. Holy shit. That's worth the bus journey and the hangover. I'm gonna yak the aguardiente up. Just gonna do the grand reveal. La grand reveal. Hermoso photography. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Good. Beautiful picture, yeah?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
All set up with my little tent. Chica taking some pictures. All set up and ready to go. Some little fat kid laughing at me. These other people camping out, they've all sorted theirs nice and secure. Mine's ready to... I'm going to get a free lift back down to the town. A big gust of wind fucking nails me.
Wow.
Just going to do that. Wow, amigo. Hola.
Sé que en esos momentos se estarán preguntando, ¿y este es el famoso mirador que nos comenta acá el guía? No, en la parte más alta se está construyendo lo que es una torre plataforma.
I don't like it anymore. I want to go home. This was a bad choice. so it's a little bit windy. I want to say a little bit. I mean a lot. It's the windiest place I've ever been. And I've been in some windy places. Hopefully that sunrise in the morning will be equal to the wind of the night. And I can't get to sleep. I can't fucking get to sleep. There's a family. There's a Spanish family partying or something on the top of here. One big gust. I'm praying for one big gust. Get them off this hill. It's 4 in the morning. Oh, I've had 2 hours sleep, not even that I don't think. 1 hour's sleep and this wind is nailing me. Jeez. Relentless all night this. Oh, I made it to the morning. 1 hour's sleep. No. That view is a little bit naughty. I've had 1 hour's sleep, so I'm gonna get 1 more hour's sleep before the bus comes to pick me up at 9. Adios, amigos. How do I go to sleep with that? I've been awake for infinity with that. Can never sleep with that. Jesus Christ. Taking the piss, wind. Taking the piss out of me. Time to say hasta luego to the lookout point and the camping place. I've packed all my tent up, given it back to the guy, which was nice. Yeah, so last time I'll probably ever be here. Never say never. When I come back, then I've got a wife if someone agrees to marry me one day. The whole thing costs about $35. You go to a place called Restaurante El Dragon in La Union, buy a ticket for the bus there, and the bus takes about an hour to go up. It costs $17. And then you get up here, you pay another $13 for a tent and $3 for a sleeping bag, and then away. And another $5 for a mattress if you want one, because it's just like sleeping on wood. If you're getting a bit older, it hurts your back a bit. The bus takes an hour, it drops you off at, you get here about 4 o'clock for a sunset, and then you go back at 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm just waiting for the bus now, and then yeah, and it takes another hour back down. And then you enter a coma because you've only had 1.5 hours sleep, you fucking idiot. I had a horrendous dream. Oh, I woke up, that was me, awake, and then the tent was at a 90-degree angle because of the wind. But it's cool, it's an experience, so you definitely should do it. It's the only thing to do really in La Union, apart from go to a nightclub called Metropolis, which is a bit mental. Just loads of El Salvadorians giving it Don't know what that was, but there's also a restaurant there. You can go to the restaurant, pay $2.50, get a coffee, and you get standard Salvadorian breakfast and dinner and lunch. It's all exactly the same. So yeah, you get bananas, classic little breakfast, some beans, scrambled eggs for $2.50, so it's not even expensive. Cheap as chips, or cheap as beans, scrambled egg, and a razor of cheese. It's like a block. You can rub pencils out with it. So I did not eat that. I threw that into the forest and probably killed something with it. There's a little tuck shop where you can get some drinks, some food, some naranjas. Adios, San Miguel next. getting the bus to San Miguel. Maybe 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, I don't know. Goodbye.